Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black printed shirt with black funky jeans and black and white sneakers. Next you can try olive green striped shirt with white striped pant and brown shoes. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and tan loafers. Next you can try yellow shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try yellow and brown printed shirt with brown pants and black loafers. Next you can try olive green oversized t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try green printed half sleeve shirt with green pants and white sneakers. Next you can try sky blue shirt with beach pants and tan sandals. Next you can try white printed half sleeve shirt with tan pants and brown sandals. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Watch this video to know top 35 outfits of May month.